Hello, we are chatting now with Justin, the program director here at WDT of Autonomous Equipment Technician. So yes, break this down for us. What does this mean?
So Autonomous Equipment Technician is a new program that was created to help backfill an industry that is coming to America shortly. We're seeing this movement in Australia, South America, where the mining industry especially is using autonomous equipment to perform a lot of the mining functions. So what the common one is the autonomous haul truck. So the truck, one person oversees 30 trucks operating on a mine site, so there's nobody in this truck. The truck is 26 feet tall, 32 feet wide, and fully loaded weighs about 1.3 million pounds. So one person oversees 30 of those operating on a mine site. Good fits for this, typically they like mechanical background, they like electrical background, they like networking, because really to be an autonomous technician, it blends all those together. Especially if they come to Western Dakota Tech, we help them find those jobs. So currently, and 100% of my students have been offered jobs.
Like the ins and outs of it, what are they learning?
We're gonna teach them electrical skills, mechanical skills, a little bit of welding, and some networking. So in the fall semester, what they do is they start out learning the basic concepts of mechanical systems, networking systems, and electrical systems. And then when we come to the spring semester, we put all those together, and then we start bringing in like this board here, which they'll work through this board and how all those systems work. The two roles that we really fill with this program is what we call an app spec, which is an application specialist, and a MineStar technician or onboard technician. The onboard technician is going to be the one that's in the field, going out and working on the equipment, so working on these systems. The application specialist is going to be the one that sits in an office and oversees the data coming in from these systems, and then are overseeing what the dozers are doing or the trucks are doing.
Okay, so then why would somebody, choose this as a profession?
So I think you choose this as a profession is because you like technology. That's a big key component of this. And you're getting in at the ground level right now, where you can move through this industry and you can grow with the technology as it advances.